This computer. All right. Good morning, folks. Good afternoon. Good evening, whatever you're listening to this. I'm Gerald Hutchinson, your Action Coach Business Accelerator, and I have the great pleasure today of interviewing Tom Hodges with Alkemi Clean. Welcome, Tom.
Thanks, Gerald. Yeah. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Good to see you. This is a business spotlight and just allowing folks to get familiar with other businesses and business owners and thinking that good things will come about from that. So I just have some questions for you, and if you could just give us casual answers, I think we'll be in great shape.
Sounds good.
Well, first of all, tell us about your business. What's your name, the name of your business, location, just some very basics.
Yeah, so we're Alkemi Clean, specifically Alkemi Clean Greensboro. We're in Greensboro, North Carolina. Sorry, well, I guess that's the specifics on the business. Yeah.
How long have you been in business?
Yeah, so we've been in business here for a couple of years now. Actually, this is the end of May. We started in May 2020. We started May 2018, so just over 2 years now.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I've been in the cleaning business for, almost 17 years now. And I've got a business partner who's been in the business for over 20 years. Together we're over 40 years. And then, you add, the other members that are with us, we've got over 50 years experience.
Right. Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah.
So what kind of cleaning products or services do you offer?
Well, really, that's kind of a broad question. The short answer is pretty much anything in residential or commercial cleaning. We're specifically an eco-friendly cleaning service, so that's very important to us. That's really what the mission is, and so that dictates some of what we will or won't do. But in general, we're pretty much anything in residential and commercial cleaning.
Tell me more about eco-friendly. What does that mean in terms of what you do?
Yeah, great question. So, yeah, there are a few things to consider there. I think a lot of people, when they think of eco-friendly, they sort of they think of DIY, like cleaning with baking soda and vinegar, for example. And honestly, I have no problem with that for home use. I think that that's a great way to go for yourself. But there are things you got to understand. For example, vinegar is very acidic. And so if you damage or ruin a stone countertop with an acid that you've used on it, well, that's not very eco-friendly. Now we're talking about replacing a countertop. So we try to think of all the different angles of what we can do to do things in a better way. So part of that, for example, we use professional products that are pH balanced, so they're safe for all types of different surfaces. They're never going to damage or destroy the things that your home is made from. And that's addition to being non-toxic, biodegradable, and so on.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Awesome.
Yeah.
So what sets you apart from your competition in this same area of eco-friendly?
Well, you and maybe some of the folks watching may be familiar with the term greenwashing. There's a lot of that's out there. And if you don't know what that is, there are a lot of things, like think of food labeling and the term natural. It doesn't have any definition as far as food labeling is concerned. You can put it on anything. You could say your Cheetos are natural, and no one's gonna make you take it off the label. Right. So we're a service that actually cares very much about the environment. That's our primary mission. It's not that we also offer green services, which for a lot of companies that are out there, maybe it means they'll use a different chemical in your particular application. We really, I sometimes say that we're an eco-friendly company that happens to sell cleaning. So I guess that's one thing that makes it different.
Yeah, I hear it. So as a business owner, what are your current challenges?
Well, the pandemic situation obviously is a big challenge. People have been scared to, trying to isolate. That's made things hard on, I think, the service industry in general. But that's starting to turn around. People are, starting to understand that, for example, having a cleaning service that's actually there to clean, sanitize, and disinfect, everything in your home is a net positive.
Absolutely.
So, that's been a challenge, but like I say, it's starting to kind of turn around.
Mm-hmm. So there's a famous aphorism or maximum, and that is the smart owner learns from their own mistakes, but the wise business owner learns from the mistakes of others. What mistakes, or what have you learned as a, getting the Alkemi Clean going for the past couple of years, the kind of wisdom that you might pass on to another business owner?
Well, actually, so the thing that really comes foremost to my mind here is about making good connections with the other with other business owners in your area. And actually, like, I'm going to pump BNI, because that was really, joining BNI was when my business started to take off. I think the one thing that I really could have done better would have been to seek that out sooner. We started by using, we kind of branched off from a company that was actually started in Asheville, North Carolina. So we started out using the connections that we had there. And I would say, if you're starting in a new location, the most important thing you can be doing is making connections in your area.
Sure. All right. I've got a lightning round. All right. We'll have a little fun with it. But I'm going to give you a word or a phrase, and I'd like you to come back with a short word or phrase, and resist the temptation to explain yourself.
Okay. I will do my best. Yeah.
Okay. Marketing.
Advertisement.
Okay.
Yeah.
Motivation.
Skills.
Okay. The best business book you've read.
Buying Customers 2.0, actually. Is high on the list.
Brad Sugars. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, the one you gave me. Yep.
All right. A favorite song of yours that really gets you going when you feel a need to get pumped up.
Boy, probably not a whole lot of death metal fans out there. You might not know this one. There's a song by a band called Amon Amarth. We're called Where Silent Gods Stand Guard. For heavy weightlifting, that's my go-to.
All right. Yeah. Your most dreamed about vacation.
I love to just travel Europe with my wife. That's something that both of us want to do.
Okay. Some unfinished business in your life.
You kind of threw me for a loop with that one. Gosh, well, Alkemi Clean is definitely unfinished. We want to continue to build and grow. So that's what I got for that.
Good, very good. Retirement.
Delightful. No, that's the first word that comes to mind. But active is really, I intend to continue to stay busy throughout my life.
Awesome. All right. We'll move away from the lightning round. Got two more questions for you. What's the best thing that a customer has ever said to you?
Boy, yeah, we've gotten a lot of great praise over the years. And it's kind of hard to single out the best, but there's one that we get actually pretty often, like surprisingly often. And it's one that I love to hear. And it's, "Oh my gosh, it smells like a spa." And actually it's kind of funny enough, people kind of keep coming back to that phrase. But when someone walks into their home or business after, we're wrapping up the job, right, and that's what they say to us, that's very gratifying. I mean, we know, like, as soon as they open the door, they're having the experience that we wanted to deliver them.
That's great. I get that. All right. So last question is, what's a good 30-second or so commercial for your business?
Um, well, so at Alkemi Clean, yeah, our focus is really on providing impeccable cleaning services, so that the most detailed, most thorough cleaning that money can buy. We use essential oils as part of our business, as part of our cleaning process. So there's natural antimicrobial power. There are other health, a range of other health benefits, and that uplifting aromatic experience that I just talked about a little bit. Um, so yeah, so someone who's interested in that is definitely someone that we want to talk with. Yeah, I
Awesome.
don't know if that was 30 seconds or not. I didn't
I don't
count.
know either, but it was
Yeah.
close. It was close,
Okay.
and it
Yeah.
sounded good too.
Good. Yeah.
So, all right. Well, Tom, thanks so much for taking a few minutes of your day to have this interview and allowing us to spotlight your business.
Yeah. Well, I
And
appreciate it, Gerald.
I hope that you'll watch the videos with the other businesses, and they'll
I'm
watch
looking forward
yours,
to it.
and we'll bring you lots more business.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Gerald. Yeah.
You bet. All right, Tom. Great to see you. We'll be in touch.
You too. You take care.
All right. Bye bye.